The Napo Cultural Center is located in the Yasuni National Park in the Ecuadorian Amazon rainforest. This region is one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, making this ecolodge a perfect destination for nature lovers. The Napo Cultural Center has 16 cabins with a total capacity of 60 people. Each cabin has a private balcony from which you can enjoy a beautiful view of the gardens and the Amazon jungle. You will find all the facilities of a first-class hotel, such as electricity around the clock, a ceiling fan, a safe in each cabin, and a private bathroom with hot water. The cabins are located in the center of the village of the Kichwa and Yangu community. In the restaurant of the lodge, you will get a taste of both local and international cuisine. During your stay, you will have the opportunity to visit the interpretive center, which is run by the women of the community. Here you can learn about the community's history and culture. You can learn and participate in the traditional morning ritual of drinking wayuza, an energizing tea. Various excursions are offered to allow you to experience the natural beauty of the rainforest. Explore the beautiful rivers and streams for a close encounter with wildlife that lives there. Visit the clay lakes and see and hear the abundance of different species of parrots. Climb the observation towers to enjoy a spectacular view over the top of the rainforest. High up in the canopy, you will be on eye level with some of the 600 species of birds living in this region. The Napo Cultural Center and the Napo Wildlife Center allow the Kichwa and Yangu community to protect the flora and fauna of the Ecuadorian rainforest. With your stay at the Napo Cultural Center, you contribute to the protection of this pristine region for future generations.